So I'm going to be redecorating Pika's cage. But the first thing is I'm going to need to get more sticks. So I went outside yesterday and got some sticks, but they are covered in dirt and one of them had a mushroom growing off them. So I have to clean them. So let's go clean those sticks. Feels like I'm creating a little sphere. So I'm trying to get all the wood to look like this. It's gonna take a while. Okay, got off the bark off and some dirt and some mossy stuff. This is what I've got so far. Not so good, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of a wash. Wash you and my hand. Alright, got my stick done. Lovely, just had to rain. This is gonna go with sunny. Hopefully it's good enough, I'll probably let it. I got some sticks over there that I was letting dry, but now they're gonna get soaked. It's on a break, let's go. Quick. I cleaned, it's still wet. So we got 2 of our sticks are done, we got 2 others which my dad will screw little screws in them, makes it easier to put in the bars because these are pretty thick. I also have another stick here which also has screws in it. This is just recently put in here, so yeah. And now it's sunny. And if you're wondering why I have toilet paper on my window, bird poo. So here are the other sticks. We got this one, and this big one, and the skinny one over there. So out of the cage, now we get ready to get rid of everything inside. So I spent like the next six minutes trying to zip tie that on. It's so hard and now my back really hurts. Ready? It's all done. Come on in. Snip. You're welcome. Cage is done. Bye-bye.